Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to pin messages in Zangi. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Zangi app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you're gonna see options like chats, calls, contacts, and settings. We'll go ahead and open the message where you want to pin a message from. Now long press on the message that you want to pin. Then the options like copy, forward, reply, edit, delete, share, pin, and select will appear. Go ahead and select pin from the screen. Then select pin from bottom of the screen again. And guys, that's it. That's how you pin messages in Zangi. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.